Hey guys, welcome back to another video with Tony's Phone Collection. Today we're going to be unboxing a couple things today, but first we're going to do this one. This is going to be two Samsung Smooths with Verizon. They're untested, and I think they were $8. I'm going to grab my note and we'll see what they were. Here was the listing. They were $8 and free shipping, so that's not too bad on this one. I didn't cover up my address, so I'm opening it from the back side. Let's see. No chargers or anything, which is fine because I have a whole bunch of Samsung chargers. Here's one of them. Got a battery in it. Now in the picture, one of these was on, so I'm assuming one kind of turns on or something, maybe locked or something. And then here's another one. This one's in a little bit better shape. You see, it's still got the little cap. That on my Alto one. I'm trying to grab it. Melted together. I'm actually doing the startup video for the Alto phones pretty soon, so I got them all up there. Let's go and see if it turns on. Looks like that one's probably dead. Let's try this one. Looks like it turns on. Alrighty, looks like this one was reset, so that's pretty cool. At least you got one working one. Alright guys, I'll do a follow-up video on these as soon as I have time to work on them. I'm still working on the other lot we got with the like 17 Motorola phones. I'm still working on that one, so I will keep you updated on these two, and stay tuned for the next video.